Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. The ASICminer 8 Nano has finally arrived. Alright, so I did a quick little unboxing just so you guys could see the unit. We can't run it yet because we don't have the special water coolant that will be coming tomorrow. But I wanted to show you that we do have the unit. This is officially the first ASICminer 8 Nano to ever hit the USA. Let's open it up and check it out. So let's talk about a few differences that I saw compared to the demo model unit in Shenzhen compared to the production model that arrived here today. I remember the side of the actual unit had open air spacing so you could see inside of it. We don't have that anymore. The front of the unit changed as well a little bit. You see there's 6 fans instead of, I believe there was 12 last time, but I'll double check again. The back still looks pretty similar. I have to see if that casing is going to open and see if it is identical, but they have definitely made some interesting changes. Everything really looks good. I am beyond myself right now because I want to run it. It's like you have a brand new car outside, but you don't even have any gas. So highly anticipating tomorrow. Again, guys, tomorrow is going to be the first official showing of this unit, that it is working and running and pulling the watts that it says it is and doing the terahash that it is putting out on its spec. Alright guys, if you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed right now so you'll get the latest update as soon as the video hits the floor. For now, MinerDigi out.